I am about to blow your mind with this chart right here. I guarantee you've never seen what I'm about to show you with the mathematics I'm about to show you that are going to predict when and how high the next market cycle top is going to be for Bitcoin. You're not ready for what I'm about to tell you because it's not what you expect. It may be the complete opposite. Welcome in if you're new. My name is Steve. On this channel, we don't take any paid ads, no paid sponsorships, no paid promotions of any coins, and no paid affiliate links down below. Instead, we offer cold hard facts in the charts that actually help you. Hit that subscribe button. This is the channel you've been looking for. Hit that subscribe button right now, put a thumbs up on this video, and let's get into it. What we're on is Bitcoin US dollar index, and we're on the 2-month chart. Let me take you on my journey. A few days ago, I discovered this chart. I just couldn't believe it. And I still can't wrap my mind around how crazy it is. And I'll take you on my exact journey. It started here on the 2-month chart. And I just had a naked chart. I had price action above and I wanted to put the stochastic RSI below. And I started just like this. And what I noticed first is when the stochastic RSI actually had this cross up, that is when the bull run had started. That was the precise candle that the bull run had started. It meant that the bear was already done. It meant that the bottoms were already in and that this marked the start of the bull. We can all agree that the lines had crossed here at precisely this candle. Can we all agree there? Yes? Well, let's move to the next one because I noticed, okay, it happened again right here in March 2019. The exact cross of that stochastic RSI marked the exact candle where the bottoms were already in and it was time for the bull. Can we all agree that the lines crossed here and that was the first time and that it happened at precisely this candle? What if I told you this candle and this candle were pretty similar? With the naked eye right now, you're looking at it like, yeah, they kind of look similar. What if I told you they were identical? Would that blow your mind? You probably just got chills. You're thinking, there's no way. What if I told you that this cross right here, we all agreed that the lines crossed up here at precisely this candle. And we all agreed that the lines crossed up here at precisely this candle. You weren't ready for is that these candles, which mean the same thing. This candle meant the bottom was already in, started the bull. This candle meant the bottom was already in, started the bull. There's no way in hell they could be identical, can they? They can. And they are. Not only they're identical, the body of this candle is exactly the same size as this candle. And by the way, the wicks are exactly the same as well. They are literally a replica. It is the exact same candle to the T. If you pull up the chart, Bitcoin US dollar index, and put on the 2-month chart, you'll have it right in front of you. The body of this candle from the bottom measured to the top is precisely 38%. The bottom of this candle measured to the top of the body, again, just the body, is precisely 38%. 38 is a Fibonacci number, not by mistake. Fast forward to this candle. There's no way in hell this candle could be the same, right? Let's take a look. Because what we want is we want a stochastic RSI cross here. And again, if you think it's crazy already, it's about to get crazier. I'm taking you on my journey. This is what I was discovering in real time. Like, hold on a second. Wait, this cross right here. Oh, this candle. Wait a minute. This candle means the same thing as this candle. They're exactly identical. Wait, the body is also 38% Fibonacci. What? How is this exactly 38% at exactly the cross, which means exactly the bottom was in, which means exactly the start of the bull run? It was starting to blow my mind, and I got to here. And again, I'm about to take it to a whole nother level because we had a cross here. And again, I'm just talking about facts. I'm not saying maybe this is a cross or fingers crossed or coin flip. No, we're talking about a bona fide fact. We can't argue that this crossed here. We can't argue that. It crossed exactly here at exactly this candle, right? This candle, the body is exactly 38%. Just like this one, just like this one. 38%, precisely 38%, which is a Fibonacci number. Do I have your attention now? It gets crazier because I was like, hold on, this is mind blowing. This is exactly the same candle all 3 times, right? The same body size at exactly the same cross. That means exactly the same market cycle. I started doing something a little crazy. I said, hold on, how much gain did we have from here to the top? I wanted to see. So when we had this cross, I wanted to see. I didn't measure from the bottom of this body. I didn't measure from the top. I just took it right from the middle, just to be even, right? Right from the middle. And I measured from here all the way to the top, right? And we got to this number, 7,420%. I'm about to blow your mind with this. You better be sitting down. So I said, okay, well, 7,420%, right? Some people may be pretty excited about the 420, and we have 7,000 in front of it, right? So we had this cross up here at exactly the same time with the same size body candle, and we have 7,420% gain. I said, okay, that's cool. How about I do this candle? How much did we gain here? Again, middle, same rules. Middle of the body, right to the top, 1,400%. I said, okay, interesting. What would blow, and I'm sitting here at the computer. I had just discovered this. I had just discovered this. I just discovered all 38% Fibonacci numbers, blowing my mind. I'm sitting here and I'm like, I took this percent and I took this percent. And I said, there's no way in hell that's 5.3. There's no way in hell. There's no way in hell if I take this number and divide it by 5.3 is this number. There's no way. This can't, because again, that's also Fibonacci. So put in your calculator right now. Put in your calculator, 7,420. Put it in and divide it by 5.3. And then boom, 1,004. Mind blown. I'm sitting here at my computer like, holy woo. That's unbelievable. I have to share this with my followers because we discovered the 5.3 theory. And we showed you from a different angle the 5.3 theory. This is a completely different angle, and it's still true. 5.3 is also Fibonacci. 38%, 38%, 38%. 38 is also a Fibonacci number. This is all based on facts here in front of us. So if we extrapolate this out and we say, okay, this divided by 5.3 is this. Which means if we take the middle of the body of this candle and go up 264%, that's going to be our top. But not only that, it gets more interesting. I'm about to show you what that means in terms of 264% from here. But I have to blow your mind in another way because I started to look at it in a different angle. I said, okay, this candle is really the key to it all. I wonder if there are similar distances to each other. So I took this candle to this candle. It's 21 bars, meaning from here to here is precisely 21 candles. So from here to here, it might be similar to 21. Let's see. From here to here is 23 candles. So we can say that we can find when this candle is going to come next because this candle is the king of all candles. This candle tells you, wake the hell up, buy Bitcoin right freaking now because that is the start of the bull. That is when we have the stochastic RSI cross, and that's when the whole thing repeats. So when is that coming? Well, we had 21 here and we had 23 here. So let's take 22. So 22 bars from this candle will be the next greatest time in Bitcoin's history, which is precisely in September of 2026, which means 2026 will be a bloodbath. That will be the best time to buy Bitcoin, and it will all be over. The bloodbath will be over right around September 2026. It'll be a bloodbath for a long time. People will be calling for lower prices. It'll be the same thing. We'll be here sitting in this chair saying that the bottom is in. Everyone will disagree with us. And then we'll print this candle, which is probably going to be very close to 38%. And it'll probably be a nice big green candle. And it'll probably be right at the time that we had the stochastic RSI cross. And we will talk about it in September 2026, having this exact discussion right around that time. Very, very similar to the body of this and this and this. It'll be that same kind of candle that takes us out of the bear market and into the bull. Mind blown, right? This is such a simple chart. I'm sitting here just with a naked chart of price action in the stochastic RSI. That's it. That's it. When I discovered the 5.3 theory, it was a naked chart of just price action. And then we put the percentage gains from the bottom to the top. And then I discovered the 5.3. It was unbelievable. Unbelievable. But let's take a look at 264% from here. 264%. Again, we just took 5.3. We took 1,400 divided by 5.3. It's 264, right? So we'll do the same rules. Middle of the body, and we'll go up 264%. right? So again, this market cycle, which I've told you repeatedly, it's going to be weaker than all the other ones. It's not a guess. I don't have a crystal ball. It's just the market cycles. We've had 5 of them, and they've all gotten weaker by exactly 5.3%. Exactly 5.3%, which again, Fibonacci numbers, 38%. Fibonacci numbers. This is all Fibonacci-based mathematics, pure cold hard facts right in front of you. So we got from the middle of this body going up 264%. And again, you're not going to like what I'm about to show you. 264% is roughly right above 70K. Roughly right above 70K. And again, I've showed you in the past, the 5.3 theory with the traditional method, with the traditional rules, is saying 79K. So there's another data point of right within that below 80K, definitely below 100K, right in front of your eyes. Again, remarkable. Share this video with somebody who is in crypto. They will absolutely love it. Now I wanted to address the 5.3 theory. I've seen in the past, again, you should handle yourself with honesty as a human. And I've seen some people in the comments like, oh, Steve didn't discover the 5.3 theory. I don't know what's wrong with these people. Please stop spreading lies. That's such a bad thing to do in life. If you have your life in front of you and you're trying to like spread complete lies, like what are you doing with your life? It's so silly. We discovered the 5.3 theory. There's nobody else who did it. And some people will say, oh, Steve's student did. No, I made one video with something my students discovered. It was months after the 5.3 theory, and it had nothing to do with the 5.3 theory. The 5.3 theory is finding the next top. They found the next bottom. So it has nothing to do with finding the next top. They were finding the bottom, and it had nothing to do with 5.3. And people are like, oh, that video is when somebody found it. It's so far from the truth. It's so silly. I just hate people who live their life on lies. We cover facts here. We are believers in truth. Please spread only truth, right? The 5.3 theory was 1,000,000% discovered by me and nobody else. There's nobody that can come here on planet Earth and say they discovered it. I discovered it first. A lot of people have talked about it after that. I discovered it, and that's a bona fide fact, right? So I just want to put that out there. I'm also going to put the video for my student. I only made one video about what a student discovered, and I'll put it down below. You can watch it. It was not about the 5.3 theory, and it was months after I had already had the 5.3 theory. Those are facts. The internet has receipts, and those are facts. Can't deny facts. So share this video with somebody in crypto. They're going to love it. It's going to blow their mind as well. I'll see you right back here in the next video. Peace and love to the fellow underdogs. Do you want to know when to buy and when to sell? Click this video right now.